Well, today we have a person here, Miss Erin Walsh, who's going to tell us why we're all clapping and we're all applauding. So, Miss Walsh, it's all yours.
So I'm honored to join your class today to share some very exciting news about your incredible teacher. Mr. Saweikis is a prize winner of the 2021 Harbor Freight Tools for Schools Prize for Teaching Excellence. Mr. Saweikis, you and your school have just been awarded $50,000. I know you guys know what a terrific teacher Mr. Saweikis is, but I also wanted to share just a short excerpt from his prize-winning application. I especially appreciate seeing the look of accomplishment when a shop skill finally clocks. Students often tell me that a weld, cut, or part is finished or good enough, but after further discussion, they realize that it can be improved or even remade. If we have time to do a job, we have time to do it right is always reinforced in my classroom.
I'm gonna get choked up. I know. I tell people I love my job, I do, truly, and I mean, you saw it in the application and all that stuff, but really, it's for the students, and just thank you. It's really, that's it. If I go further.